Hey guys, Eddie the Magic Monk here. You can see here's a picture of me standing in the middle of Brisbane in front of a Christmas tree. There are a lot of people in the background. It was actually surprisingly hard to wait for them to leave because there will always be someone else walk into my picture. So now I'm going to show you how to remove them using AI. So the first thing you're going to do is right click on the picture, open with Adobe Photoshop, and this is the picture. And now what you're going to do is you're going to zoom in, press the Alt key on your keyboard, scroll up and down to zoom in. You're going to select someone using the rectangular select tool, select someone, and just click on generative fill like in the last video, but instead of generating something new, just click on generate. Right, and if you don't type anything in there, it should remove the object. All right, you can see that it didn't actually remove it. It had a few other people in the side. So what you're going to do is under variation, select the one with nothing in it. So this one has nothing in it, okay? And now you can also use the lasso tool. Select this person, make sure you don't select my shirt. And again, generative fill, generate. All right, so that person is gone. Again, there's a few options you can pick from depending on which one you like the best. And then go to the left. There's a whole lot of people here. Zoom out a bit. And just select them using the lasso tool again. Right, and then just generative fill again, generate. Okay, it's remove all of them. There's also a few options, see which one you like better. And then there's a bit of a shadow here left over by the previous person, so you can also select them, generate to get rid of the shadow. Okay, so once you're happy with it, file, export, quick export as PNG, select the same folder, save it in there. And now you can see I have two pictures in the same folder, one with heaps of people in it and another one with nobody in it. All right, thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.